Disinfectant dwell time matters because wiping immediately after spraying usually removes the disinfectant before it can kill germs. Effective restroom disinfection starts with choosing a product labeled for the pathogens you need to control and reading the label for the required contact time. Apply the disinfectant so treated surfaces remain visibly wet for the full dwell time listed on the label, which is the period the chemical needs to inactivate microbes. Common times range from 30 seconds to 10 minutes, depending on the active ingredient and target organism. Pick a sprayer or trigger that produces a uniform wet film rather than a fine mist, so you can see coverage and avoid areas drying too quickly. Work from clean to dirty by removing soil and biofilm first, because organic load can neutralize many disinfectants and shorten effective contact time. If a surface dries before the dwell time is complete, respray that area and restart the clock instead of wiping, because wiping interrupts the chemical action. Keep a small visual timer or use a checklist to ensure each critical surface gets the full dwell time. And store product technical data sheets with the restroom cleaning protocol so supervisors and staff can confirm dwell times and compatibility with materials. 3 common mistakes undermine dwell time effectiveness, and each has a simple correction. People often spray then immediately wipe because it feels cleaner, which prevents microbe inactivation. So change the routine to spray, wait the labeled time while you move to the next zone, then return to wipe if needed. Another issue is over-diluting or using the wrong concentration, which shortens efficacy, so always measure concentrates precisely and follow label mixing instructions for the target organism and soil level. The third problem is allowing treated surfaces to dry too fast on warm ventilated restrooms, which interrupts contact time, so slow evaporation by spraying smaller areas, closing vents momentarily, or switching to a product with a longer wet time that suits the environment. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and helps contractors find work by listing project requests and contractor profiles that match needs and locations. We also host an active discussion community where members and pros exchange tips on cleaning protocols, product experiences, and how to manage dwell times correctly.